Hi guys, today we have a Mcusta uh, for your viewing pleasure. Uh, I got this one about a year ago, and it is supposed to be a gift for my kid. And here we go. It's made of VG10 steel, and it's made in Seki City, Japan. Um, I don't know if other Mcusta comes with this type of boxes, but it is a very nice touch. After the box, it comes with a really nice bag, which is sewed, and the knife fits inside really well. This knife is a special edition. It's called the KOI, which means the fish, or yeah, it means a fish. And Mcusta means machine and custom. So this knife is tried to be a knife that has the quality of a semi-custom knives. This is a very gentleman knife. Um, it has a 33 layers of a there. It has a 33 layers of Damascus, VG10 Damascus. So it's pretty good looking. It's liner lock with a limited production number engraved. The liner lock, it's a very well made lock. It's very easy to disengage, but at the same time very sturdy. It has steel liners, and I think this is African blackwood, if I'm not mistaken, and with a very nice I don't know how to call this, probably a end bolster. Well, it's for the lanyard hold, and it has a very nice little back spacer that makes the knife uh, seems like a one-piece blade. Feels very comfortable in the hand, although it seems that there are not much of ergonomic here. The finger choil really bites in because of the little gym pins here, and it was really fine for any type of task that's meant for this blade. I think the blue lines here, the waves here, I think it's actually painted by a person, and the little cutout here are actually done by hand, and the fitting was also done by hand. So this knife was a little bit pricey compared to other Mcusta knives, but to me it's worth it. Uh, this is a limited edition because in Japan they have a legend that says all people should have shining stuff on them at all time, because the devil hates or is afraid of the shining stuff. So this thing is shiny, and it's meant to protect, because in Japanese there's a name for this knife, which means the knife of protection. So to protect you from evil and bad spirit. The action is very smooth. There are They are detent all the way in and all the way out, and the blade's pretty centered. um, the spine's very there are no sharp edge around this blade, and this thing is very sharp, and it says Mcusta here, Vegeta Japan, and it has their red like seal logo here. I don't know what material it is, the red stuff here, the red stuff inside, but it seems very cool looking, because looks almost kind of like a stone, because it has different coloring. It's not just one solid piece of red plastic or something. The backspacer here is also in wood, and it's very tightly fit. As you can see only two very tiny lines here, but you cannot feel it, and it's very nicely done. It's very smooth, and feel really nice in the hand. Actually, it has a really good weight. It's not really heavy actually. It's about I'll say 3 ounces. So this is very suitable for lady carrying actually, and that's about it. It's a special knife for special people, special person. It's made for a gift actually, so I'm keeping this as a gift for my kid. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and let me know if you have any questions. Bye. I knew I forgot something. A comparison test, not test, a comparison video with the Spyderco Sage, so you know how slim it is, the knife. It's a little bit thicker, almost a hair thicker than the Spyderco, but it's really carries really well in the hand, in the pocket. And the blade, I think it's about the same size, in thickness, and it's a little bit longer. It's about 3 and maybe 1/4. Well, actually 3.5 inches long. Let's see. Yeah, it's probably 3.5 inches long. Alright, that's it. Thank you.